real estate experiment. What is happening, y'all? Had the open house. We're currently shutting her down. Nice solid 2 hours. A lot of traffic today, but come on in. We got some stuff we want to analyze here in this home. So we got a 4.2 and a half, and we got about more than 4,500 square feet on master on the main. But we want to break this home down a little bit. I had a builder that built around here, and so she was very familiar with some of the homes and the pros and cons, and that's what it's about, picking up buyers, which we did, and then getting insights from the pros, local experts, local agents, anybody can get it. So anyways, here, first thing we come in, this home is priced low, $399 in this neighborhood where some of them have sold for $500. So what is the story here? There's two things. One thing I want to point out, we'll go to the back. We want the rest of the neighborhood to see this, but gotta nail this one. Well, damn, first of all, this is a problem. Got two I-85 here in the back. Again, this is kind of stuff you want to look at for pricing. That's definitely going to affect pricing no matter how nice it is below here. This noise right here is just tough. So that's going to affect the pricing. The other part is, excuse the interruption, I actually got a call. You know who you are. In the middle of the last video I was shooting regarding the two things that would really impact the price of the home. Oh, looks like I'm putting paint all over myself. Nice, keeping it nice and raw, God. Yeah. Anyways, so basically, what I was talking about for the last home I was just previously at was the synthetic stucco. So this is not synthetic stucco, this is brick. But synthetic stucco right now, I believe it was built around in the 80s, gives people issues down the road, right? Like leaks and stuff like that. Hard coat stucco is what you want. And so anytime a house has synthetic stucco, for anybody who knows their homes, it's a big because in the next couple of years down the road, you're gonna maybe be dealing with a little bit of issues down the road. So it's always good to educate your clients or whoever, maybe even yourself, as you're buying, or being aware of that as you're buying a home. Brick is always going to get the job done. 4 brick sided homes sell really well, and then the vinyl, parts of the vinyl siding, a lot of these homes that have bricks at the front and then siding in the back, vinyl siding on the back, just because it saves money, and then the brick always presents really well up front. So you're seeing a lot of that, but 4-sided bricks the way to go. Sometimes they'll have some bricks and some sides, or some you know, whatever it is that they call it, you know, say 3-sided versus 4-sided, whatever the case might be. So that's something to keep in mind for your buyers, yourself as an investor, and when you're looking to buy or list and sell a home. So these are key things you want to look at. Quality always sells. Always having the mindset of investing today so that you can maybe sell later on, or think about the value and appreciation and how much you can return on investment you can get on your current assets. On that note, let's build, y'all.